today's video ghost story on the horrifying death skull is, I have so many, I have to pick one. As my first one. I'm gonna do noise. This video is called Noise Under the Bed. Under the bottom, coming from the bottom bunk. Now this kid has a little sister. I forgot his name. And they have bunk beds, and there's like, I'm gonna give you a description, that way you know and I don't have to do it in the middle of the video. But he has a mirror on his wall that like shows you the bottom bunk. So and plus he has this plastic stuff at the bottom. You know how if you have bunk beds and there's like this board, well, it has a plastic wrap around there. So one night, he was in bed at the top bunk sleeping, and he woke up to this noise of this scratching sound. It's like somebody scratching the plastic on the bottom bunk, like somebody was scratching. So he looks in the mirror, and there's no. Well, before that, he thinks it's just his little sister. He looks in the mirror. He looks in the mirror and there's no one. So in the morning he doesn't tell them and he was suspended from school. So later on in the day, whenever his sister and mom and dad left the house, were at the house, he heard the noise again. So, and he was watching TV, and the spot that he was at was like right in the hall of where his bedroom is. So I think he was sitting on a couch. So he went behind the couch until he heard his mom. So he gets up and there's nobody there. So he goes back, and then his mom and his little sister get home, and then he tells his mom what happened, and that he wants the plastic off of that bottom bunk. So the mom takes that off the bottom bunk, and then there's no more, and then and now he doesn't hear it. And he never heard that noise again. By the way, what was I going to say? And by the way, watching this, the whole reason why I'm inspired to do these ghost stories, who inspired me to do ghost stories is Biddy44, because I love her channel. So, and if you are watching Biddy44, and to all those viewers out there, if you watch some of Biddy44's videos, and you see me telling them, well, it's just for the viewers who don't know about Biddy44. But I'm not gonna really do that. So, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for our next video.